This is a dog meat farm just outside Seoul. There are thousands of these farms in South Korea, a place where there is no compassion or hope, a place where a meat dog's only value is measured on the scales. The dogs are terrified of human contact. Instead of greeting the human, they withdraw and try to hide, confused, anxious, and full of fear. Conditions on these dog farms are pitiful, with no regard for the dog's basic needs. Dogs are confined to these cages for the duration of their short lives, usually a year, when they have reached the right weight to be slaughtered. They don't try to escape. They know that outside the cage, a more terrifying fate awaits them. They huddle together for comfort in the hope they will not be the ones selected today. This is where the farmer will slaughter the meat dog, in full view of the other dogs watching in terror. A meat mincer, by the table where the dog is butchered. The dogs leave here, in one of these plastic crates. But this dog, Django, has been rescued. Django represents millions of dogs in Korea, an estimated 2 million dogs that are raised on farms every year and butchered to supply South Korea's demand for dog meat. Django is the lucky one, rescued from this farm and provided with the love and veterinary care needed to soothe and mend his broken soul and body. Django will show South Korea and the world that a dog is a dog, regardless of breed or place of birth, a sentient being worthy of compassion and protection. A beautiful animal, not something to be turned into a stew or a barbecue or a soup.